to my kitchen. We're making an adjustment today. The last few videos have proven to me that as much as I love my kitchen with its perfect little triangle to work in, there isn't a good camera angle, and I'm tired of my cameraman making me look like I have tiny little Tyrannosaurus Rex arms with giant muscles when I'm stirring on the stove. So I've gone out and made an investment in what the internet says is the best induction burner, that standalone induction burner that money can buy. So this is a Dux Top 9610 LS. The 9600 is all black. This is the 9610. And this is supposed to do the best job of simulating a gas burner of any of the induction cooktops out there. The big thing with induction cooktops that some people don't like is that you have to use a magnetic pan. My aluminum nonstick skillet is not going to work on this, but I do most of my real cooking on using my cast iron, either regular cast iron or enameled cast iron, so that should work with this. I also did something fun, and here it is. This has been inspected by the Amazon warehouse. I got a used returned to Amazon model and saved 15 bucks. So it's the exact same thing, exact same warranty. It just has been opened once before. That's it. That's all there is. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, which is a good thing. We have this is bigger than the electric cooktop burner that I have seen in the past. Let me see if I can wipe that off. It looks like it's been fingerprinted. Oh, hey, I turned it on. So the thing about induction that I have read about, and with a 20-year-old stove, this kitchen actually came with a one of those flat glass electric cooktops. I burned everything. I cannot cook on electric. So we put in this gas cooktop, and believe it or not, it doesn't even fit. I can stick my fingers in here. There's a ½ inch gap in the back because gas was just so much more important to me than easy cleanup. And you can see I could use a deep clean, but I cook in my kitchen. The important thing about gas is being able to control the heat and getting it hot fast. And this is supposed to do exactly the same thing, except it's supposed to bring water to a boil, like lickety split. So I'm going to get one of my cast iron Dutch ovens here, and let's see here. It's got a boil button. I'm going to start over. Should we read the instructions a little bit? So let's see here. We've got that. And press the button. Fan goes on. Menu button. It starts to 5. Power 10 for 10 minutes. And we're going to see if we can make this go. So I'm going to get 4 cups of water here. Tap cool. And we'll see how long it takes to come to a boil. I wasn't anticipating the fan. I hope that's not annoying. Oh, yeah. It's getting hot. So we have a full rolling boil, and that took a little less than 4 minutes to get there. So that is really, really fast. I was using my temperature, my thermometer here to check, and I didn't see any real discernible hot or cold spots, which is really very cool. This will be a game changer for bringing pasta to a boil and getting that done really quickly. It looks like this keep warm button is for use if you're having a party and want to, you're out of crock pots. I guess this is a brand new version of a crock pot, or maybe even for some really long-term bone broth, those kinds of things, on a bigger pot than what I might already have. My cameraman will have to tell me in post-production whether or not this fan is distracting, on whether or not you guys can handle the background noise. But I certainly like the angle better because we use a GoPro here in the kitchen for the videoing, and it has a kind of fish eyes when we're up close. And I really was either going to have to get fluoride reduction surgery or find a different camera angle. So this is going to be fun to figure out. You'll be seeing lots more of the Duxtop 9610 LS. I hope it's as good as the internet says. And now I got to figure out what to do with my boiling water. So we had the water boiling. It's still on, hot. I'm just going to get this off of here. And word is that even though that was just boiling water, yeah, look at this. The surface is not hot. It's warm, but it is not hot. It will not burn myself. And it's beeping at me because, hey, it's on. And there's nothing on it. So that is a safety feature that you certainly don't have with those electric coil hot plates that I remember from my apartment dwelling days. So that's a pretty cool feature. Have a great day.